Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is basically talk about this Unice Indian natural wave hair that I bought. This is a wig. I'm wearing 20 inches and I believe they're 20 inches, three packs in 20 inches. I think the closure is also 20 inches. I think the closure is 18. I would of course leave the information in the description box below. Also, before I go ahead and talk about the hair, if you want to go ahead and purchase this hair, I have a coupon code I will leave in the description box, or I'll also leave it and pin it in the comments below if you want to go ahead and get a discount on this hair. So this is the natural wave in Indian hair, and you guys, it feels really nice. You would have seen in the unboxing, I will link it up below top, where I said I'm not sure if I was going to co-wash it, or I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and put some color in it. I did co-wash it, and I must say that it is pretty awesome. I like the feeling that I'm getting from it since I've co-washed it. It feels really nice, you guys. It feels natural, and it is a wig, a self-made wig, natural and soft. It does not shed. I washed it, and of course when I was washing it, I combed it through a little bit. I didn't get much shedding, minimal shedding, minimal shedding, and the texture of the hair is amazing. This is the hair. This side that is gonna hurt me, but yeah, but the hair is really nice. Of course I will do another review after wearing it for a while to let you know how, if it's consistent, what the quality is like then after wearing it. But I should add that when you make a wig against sewing in the hair on your head, it does last longer wearing it as a wig. Hence why I tend to stick to wearing wigs against sewing it on my head. This hair is amazing. Love the texture. Feels really nice. I did curl it up. The curls were way finer than this, but I used my brush to brush it out. But it is a natural wave hair, so you find that the curls, you will have natural curls in them, and I do like the natural curl that it came with. What I like is that I can also wear the hair as is if I don't want to curl it up, and that will make it even look way more natural. So yeah, so Unice hair, a second time ordering from them. So let's see how this hair holds up. So that's it for this hair, you guys. Thanks for watching.